Let's open this black plastic case. Inside, you'll find an amber suede lens cloth printed with the Acompatible logo. Its skin-friendly texture is irresistibly smooth to the touch. Now, let's see what else is in the box. A frosted PC clip-on lens storage case and an illustrated manual, which even includes a polarized test card. Set those aside for now. Next, take a look at the clip-on lenses inside this white box. Gently press the center clip with your thumb and forefinger to remove the lens. Check for any scratches or smudges. Everything looks flawless. Remember to avoid touching the lens surface directly to keep it clean. Time to test the polarization effect. Place the lens over the test card in the manual. When you look through it, you'll see the Statue of Liberty appear, proof of its polarized filtering. Now let's attach the clip to your glasses. Grab your Ray-Ban CLUBMASTER RB5154 frames, align the clip's center notch with the nosepad's axis, then press the central spring hinge in a V shape with 2 fingers to secure it onto the frame. Finally, adjust the lens edges until they align perfectly with the main frame. And done! Perfect!